Acting on a specific tip-off, a team from the Sonamura Police Station conducted a raid at a residence in the UNC Nagar area on Wednesday night. During the operation, law enforcement personnel recovered 8 kilograms of dried cannabis. The owner of the residence was apprehended at the spot in connection with the contraband seizure.
Acting on a confidential tip-off, Sonamura Police raided a residence, seized 8 kilograms of dried cannabis and apprehended the homeowner. A case under the NDPS Act has been registered at the Sonamura Police Station. A special police team is currently leading the investigation to expose multiple local drug traffickers linked to the case. Law enforcement is verifying intelligence leads with state and central agencies, and further arrests are anticipated in the coming days. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.